Oh. All right, so mic is on. How did I used to do this? I think I used to play music, right? Music is somewhere. Let's go with the cinematic. Oh, wait. There you go. I think I used to have a capture here. Is it this one? No? Uh-oh. Oh.
The stars lie between the sun and the sea.
Hey, that made a sound.
Your hands are now wings. The stars are in reach. Just wish. Fly to the try.
All right, now we got some music going. But I don't like that music, so we're going to pick some different... Well, it's not that I don't like it. It's that it's just... Hold on. I don't like having voices. So let's see if we can pick something else instead. We're going to stop this one. Do a little Mega Man. I don't really want to start with Mega Man. Let's start with Final Fantasy. I don't really want that's going to redirect the whole page, isn't it? No, go back. Okay. How about we just go next, next. And then start this here. Okay, we're getting back into the swing of it here. Getting things set up again. It's been a couple months. But guess who's back? It's AJ! Oh, that wasn't properly timed. Let me try that again. Guess who's back? It's AJ! Okay, I don't know if that actually... Alright, we're going to try that one more time. Guess who's back? It's AJ! Okay, cool. So, with that out of the way... Oh, this is too dark. Hold on. We're gonna go back to orchestral. Come on. All right. Five, four, three, two, none. Okay, well, hello, everybody, and welcome back. And by welcome back, I of course mean myself, because it's been a long time. And the reason for that is, I don't know, once you get off the wagon, it's hard to get back on the wagon. And so I just I just haven't I got off the wagon and it's hard getting back on the wagon. Okay, I'm gonna try to adjust a few things here, make that a little better. We won't worry about that too much right now. But I'm mostly going to be streaming during the day now, so I have to find a way to block out all this light so we can have that nice purple backdrop again. Also, I got a haircut, and what I'm working on now is this. There's a block. I guess I should have a link to the thing. I don't have a link to the thing. That's weird. Okay, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and do a sign in to GitHub here. It's been so long that I got logged out. So use security key. Yes. Where's my security key? There it is. All right. I gotta use my security key. Get logged back in. All right. Using security key. Tap. Okay, cool. And we're in. So, I kind of want the music, kind of don't want the music. Maybe let's try the mellow mood. I'm gonna see if I can. I don't know what my mood is right now for these things. Let's see. Can we just play? Can we play? There we go. That's good enough. All right. And I actually something's messed up. I probably need to reboot my computer, but I'm not going to do that now. Okay, so let me get to this. Block chair. There was a gzip. I might have to find this on my other thing here, but okay, this is really bugging me. The music's too loud, and I can't figure out how to turn it down because something is wrong with my system settings. Max speakers. Okay, there we go. Alright, speakers are working now. Also, something's wrong about my camera placement. I'm not going to worry about that now. I'm just noticing it. Alright, block chair, gzip, index of blocks. Here we go. Okay, so what we've got is, I'll bring this up so you can see. We've just got all of these tab separated value files. So basically it's CSV files, but it's using a tab instead of a comma because commas are tarded and tabs are not. And so I'm just going to put in the README here. So source data. There's our source data. And what do I want to call this thing? Yeah, I do want to commit these changes. Source data link. We are going to try committing directly for now. That's good. So we've got this thing outputting as quarterlies, and what I want to do is have it output as yearlies. And so we're going to copy the quarterly. I called it quarter. No, I don't know what to call this. Because quarter is actually a word. You can quarter something. Can you annual something? I don't know if you can make annual a verb. But anyway, what we have to do is very, very simple. I just have to change. We have to account for the first year, and then we have to account for leap year. Let's see. Concat my files fn concat. I'm going to call this concat year, and we're going to get rid of the quarter specifier. And then I think other than that, I think we're going to get to leave it alone. And then I was thinking about this. I've had this separated out in a way that I don't think I need to. Because we don't actually need to worry about the name of the partial, so I'm just going to get rid of that. Because so if we concatenate every day together for the year, every time we do a commit of this, it's only additional. So it's going to produce a pretty decent diff. And if this is run once a month or whatever, then that's going to turn out fine. So we're going to get rid of this partial thing. We're going to have it go straight to, well, I guess, yeah, we're not going to have go into quarterlies at all. We're going to have it go straight into yearlies. And then maybe we can create a file for that or something. I don't know. Quarterlies, yearlies. I think we're just going to undo the whole bit of quarterlies. And then we're going to do annual initial. And then we're going to do for year in my year. Annual initial. Yeah, we'll go with yearly for now. What do we call that? Inaugural? I think that's what we call it. Initial first. Okay. All right, why are we having problems? Whoa, oh, that's loud. Okay, CPU load is fine. Memory load is fine. Energy impact is fine. Disk reads are fine. I don't know. I think that something's happened recently in macOS where they made it more like Windows, where if you leave it running for more than a couple days, you have to reboot. They're competing with Microsoft hardcore on that one. Because my computer's just totally freaking out right now, and I've been in the office the last few days, so I don't know. Okay, so yearly. I don't know. Okay. So the thing that's tough about this annual inaugural was 2014 a leap year? I don't think so. 2016 was a leap year. Okay. So quarter 2. Well, actually this kind of makes sense just to leave this way. We just need to get rid of the designation. I'm doing here. What I'm doing here. Stop, computer, stop freaking out. I don't know if y'all get the skips and everything that I'm getting. I bet you do. Okay, the annual is with 2 N's. I've already spelled it like 3 times, but you know. Oh. Okay, so I think this is about right. So that's how we concat the year. And this is how we do a yearly. So I'm going to call that annual now for whatever reason. Okay. So yeah, we'll leave that the same. Alright, so this stopped... Okay, January 19th is where this started.
Though this may be our final fateful night, against endless hordes of relentless mist-born evil blight, I know I'll live somehow, and I'll uphold my vow with you now. At my back, my ally, under wings in the sky.
Okay, so I didn't even get a good intro into this, but we're taking all these gzip files. We're taking all these gzip files. We're downloading them. They're updated every day. We're downloading to the latest, so we're going to skip the first few thousand, typically. And then, you know, once it's been downloaded once anyway. For all the years, and it'll work up to 2032, and we could make that last 32, and we every year. And we will probably get rid of get some modular init, get some modular update, switch to the yearlies, pull, yeah, okay, that's fine. So we will have a yearlies file. Quarterlies. So we're going to make this same thing, but we're just going to make it new repository. Oops. Okay, why does it not make the new repository from Dash Hive? This is something that always confuses me. I was in Dash Hive, now it wants to make it under my own. Okay, so this is going to be yearlies. And we're going to make this really, really similar to the one that we already had. I'm just going to copy the description, except we're going to call it Alright, we call this, yeah. Sure, we'll add the readme. How do we have it on this one? Do we have anything? We just have the readme and we've got it on there. And there's not really much that we have here. Git submodule add. Nope. Nope. Okay, there we go. I guess we might as well just add all of this data. Let's see. Oh, not quarter. Quarter. Alright, let's see if this works. First, let's just run the download, which is probably going to grab a couple more files for me. Okay, the 25th, the 26th, the 27th. And then it's going to try to unzip them all. I don't know why it's so slow. It seems like it should be able to do more than a few hundred a second. That takes a really long time, it seems. I could have made that better, I guess. But all it's doing is checking the file system and printing to the screen. I don't know why I'm not sure why it takes so long. Maybe it's just the printing to the screen, because the printing to the screen does take some time. Anyway, so we did that, and let's do, okay. chmod, lecture annual. Okay, that doesn't seem quite right. Okay, let's take a look at the yearlies and let's see if the sizes make sense. My guess is that they won't. Because my guess is that they were being recreated. So let's take a look at the quarterlies. Because I'm thinking that it may have only gotten a quarter per each. Yeah, that's what I think happened. No, it looks like it did it right. It just printed preparing way too many times. So fn concat year. Oh, wait. Not a problem.
Like before, I'm gonna go to Costco to pick up pizzas. If I'm not back by 2:50, could you go into the house and in case if somebody shows up early, just be there?
Yes.
Because I invited people to come at
Go.
3.
Go. I'm working on something.
Okay.
You do it, and then I'll do my thing, and then I'll.
Try not to bring Adolin down before though. Because
Okay.
I decorated everything.
All right.
Thanks.
All right. Where was that? Oh yeah, there was. That might need fixing. Let's see. What do we got here? Hmm. All right, so we'll call this my Y name. But so we'll give files, and then do we actually need my year for anything other than? Oops. Dang it! What is going on? Stupid computer! My files. Hmm. So maybe echo my files. Okay, that's all we need there. Just rewrite all these. Ah! Nope, that's not what I wanted. Back. Undo. I don't understand why this is skipping. I don't understand what's going on here. It doesn't seem like really... I bet it's something with the browser. Hold on. I'm going to close out the browser here. Something is using GPU for no good reason. That's what's happening. What's using GPU for no good reason? Windows server. Why? Why is Windows Server using all my GPU? What is it using it for? Yeah, there's something's just like rendering crap in the background. It's probably essentially like a memory leak, but with GPU processing instead. Because something is basically, yeah, Windows Server is taking up 60% of my GPU constantly, but for no discernible reason. It's not a memory leak, but it's like a memory leak. It's kind of dumb, but oh well. Nope, hold on. I'm gonna fix this. I don't like that. I did it wrong. It was a mistake. We're gonna have the file name come after the year designator. Okay, rebooting my computer will be high order of business once I get this done. There we go. I just like to have function signatures be the same. I feel like it's pretty reasonable. I'm no sadist. Or I guess no masochist? Or I guess... Come on, what is going on? Why is everything hanging up? Why is everything so wonkadonk? Okay, now my GPU is not being eaten up by some background YouTube process in a web page somewhere. It's probably... Well, it can't be ads because I'm using Brave, so I don't know what it would be. But Okay. Alright, let's just try this. Okay, how is this griping at me? That's correct, that's correct, that's correct. Okay, double quoted string. Oh. No, that's closed. Uh-oh, I see it. I see it now. 101, 102, so on and so forth. Okay, so somehow that got pasted. Which it should not have been. Okay, let's try that now. Oh, I like this one.
De nuevo estoy aquí con mi vieja canción. Sonríes para mí desde el mismo rincón. El tiempo ha marchitado nuestra piel y nuestra juventud, pero conservó la magia del amor. Tenerte cerca, amor, me da tranquilidad. Anhelo tu calor, transmites tanta paz. Siempre estás junto a mí. ¿Qué debo ser para ti? Quizás el hombre que te hace vivir en un sueño. Te abrazo para oír y sentir tu corazón, latidos sin los que
All right. There we go. So I don't need this one. I don't need.
Quisiera compartir lágrimas y dolor. Quisiera compartir
Okay, I think that is almost right. We're still having little bits of empty space in between. So I want to get rid of those and then we'll call this good. This is one of my favorites. Final Fantasy VIII. Okay, where's the echo that doesn't need to be there? Right here? Cool. Let that commit in just a second. Okay. All right, so now we've got the yearly aggregations. I actually do want to update the quarterly one, just because there was a little bug in there. So if I were to run the quarterly one, I should see that it screws up the quarterlies. Add. What I would expect is for the size to grow because it's not being, the file's not being deleted like it should be. That's weird. I'm not quite sure how that's... But I'm also going to update this. 2014 is my year. I don't understand how that happened. Oh, I do understand how it happened, actually. Because before, I was having the temp files. So I was concatenating into the temp file, and then I would remove becoming obnoxiously large. That's what was goofed up. Was that. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay. So I'll check that one last time, and then I'm done with that one. Alright, that gives me more confidence that the current one is correct as well. The current one does not use the temp file. Because the current one, we're just saying, well, whatever it adds up to is what it adds up to. Wait, what's different about the quarterlies? Nothing. And I actually want to remove the submodule on that one, but whatever. We're just gonna go with it. I would say we can go ahead and add oops. What's the language I used here? Just use the same language. Sure, add cache of July 2023. Ugh. Oh, whoops. There we go. So there is something else I want to try here just to test that this will work in the future. So I want to drop that. And I actually want to remove the last few files from this month. So let's say 2*. Okay. So now I want to run quarterly. That shouldn't change anything. I'll run the annual, and that should change something. Toot. Okay, I will need to go momentarily. Whoops. Okay. All right, that makes sense. So then I should be able to go to yearlies here. And I should be able to add this. And then up to September 19th. But I should be able to go back. Oh no. Oh no. We ran up against GitHub's file size limit. Oh, that's not good. Well, I guess we'll see about that one. So we might need to b-zip these. Dang it. I mean, there's nothing super wrong with that. Okay, let me see. I need to have something open here. Dang it. Okay, so this is... I will have to solve this later. Yeah, I think we're going to have to compress these. Alright, so let's... Which is weird because it has compression already. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to do bzip. Well, we're going to back up here. Let's back up. So we're going to do... Ugh! Okay. Purr. Okay, got that. Yeah, that's... It's not... Dang it, what do I do for this? See, that's going to be janky. Okay, I'm going to have to call this one quits. And come back to it later, I think. Okay. Whoops. Okay, no, we need to reset this. Okay, let me try this. Uh-oh. Okay. So then we've got that. Okay. Oh, wait. Let me stash this. So we're not going to do the get submodule. All right. Okay, I gotta get my shoes back on. This should get the last few of these. Dash GZ, restore, GZ, git pull. Okay. Okay, so I'll let that download the latest, and then I will let the annual run and create the latest. Hey, what's up, everybody? How's it going? I'm wrapping up here. I don't exactly know what this is for. I just know that I'm making a thing that downloads the GZ files and creates yearly aggregations of them. From 2014 to 2023. Okay. And I probably should update the README as well. Yearlies. We'll see if this works or not. Because I'm wondering if Google is going to like, you know, um, document that in the README. The update. All right, I'm coming. All right, I have to shut this thing down. I don't remember what my sign off is even.